Hey, this is Will from Say How You Feel, and today we're going to be doing the left chest pocket. Stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is, get your shirt together. I'm just using this as a sample, so it's not like for an actual customer. I just want to do a video showing how to use the main piece of equipment, this right here, so that y'all know how to use these. Right? Press the shirt down. I'm gonna raise my temperature up just slightly. For the transfers, we're doing plastisol transfers. So I always advise going up to like 385. So stay tuned, be right back. Okay, so now that we have the heat press to the right temperature, you always want to pre-press. Just for a few seconds to get the moisture out. Right? Take this. Make sure it's at the center of the shirt. This is just squared. This is the design we're putting on here. I'm really just using it as a sample. Right? What I like to do is, and it tells you where the center of the shirt is. This is the center of the shirt. So, what I do is have these little lines. These transfers come from Transfer Express. And I'll leave a link in the bottom of the description. But it had it's like a grid on the back. And well, I'll show you. So it's a grid on the back of it. Now normally this wouldn't be upside down, right? But because of the way I gang sheeted the transfer, some parts are gonna be upside down, and this just happens to be one of them. So I'm gonna slide this in here. And what I do is I'll usually split the sleeve, but I'll make sure it's lined up with the sheet, with the transfer, with the guide. You press it down for 30 seconds. Well, 8 seconds, I'm sorry, not 30 seconds, 8 seconds. It's a hot peel. And there you go. And ladies and gentlemen, you have a left chest plate. Right? Okay, so this is our t-shirt. Left chest plate. Used with the square, which is on our website, which will be coming to you soon. We do sell this product. If you want to buy it now, I'll leave a link. Or my telephone number is 615-839-0788. You can always give me a call, and I have this on sale. And screen printing. So please like, subscribe, and share this video. Like the channel, like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, support Ken and Shan. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.